the spider web. I'm using mild steel TIG rods. What I did is I drawed out the area on the truck, which is the firewall, each corner, how big I want the webs. So everything is drawn out, so I kind of just use it as a template. Hand bent the mild steel. It's pretty easy to bend. Definitely got to use to make it easy. Well, I shouldn't say nothing's really easy about it, but these I use to cut it, and then these this piece right here, the rod goes in so you can bend the edges. So those come in handy because finger strength is not there for that. So anyways, they're not welded together yet. Those are just the pieces. So I'm going to start with 90, tack weld that, and then I'm going to take a piece of sheet metal, and I'm going to have a piece of sheet metal right around here with a drill, because that's where I'm going to have mine where they can screw on, so I can take them on and off if I ever need to. I doubt I ever will, but it's one of those options. And this is where it's going. It's right in this top corner here. It's going to go across here, down here, and it's going to be like that, right in this area. This is the part that's going to suck. What I'm going to have to do is, I don't want to take that off because it takes two people, and I'm solo. I can rig something up to get the nuts from the inside, but it's real high up there, so I've got a single bolt right here. So I'm going to unbolt that, and after I get the web done, hopefully I'll figure out which one, and I'll slide it from this end. I might have to take that off, I'm not sure yet. With this headlight, now I moved it here, we'll see. But I'm going to slide this rod in the middle of one of the webs and have it there. The challenging side is going to be this side. I'm going to weld the whole thing up, the web, and then I'm going to figure out which parts I have to cut for it to still go in that corner with the booster in the middle. So it'll be a web on this corner, a web on this corner. And there's the mirrors that I made. This is going to have bolts. These are self-tapping screws right now. They're going to be bolts in there for sure. So these were 4-inch mirrors. Kit. I'll show you the other side. See the other one right there. It's hard to see, but either way, got that done. Working on this now, so I'm gonna start taking this together.